Now tell me, children, are both these pieces equal in size? How much is this of the whole slate?
Quarter.
How much is this of the whole slate?
Quarter.
Then are both these pieces of the same size? Take a good
Yes.
look.
Yes. Yes.
Show me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Show me how. Here, take a look. Are these of the same size? Turn around. Show the whole class.
Okay.
Pay careful attention to what she's doing.
You have to remove this.
Okay, now tell me. Yeah.
We have to remove this portion from here and cut it into two and then put it over here. And
Oh, very good. Have you all understood what she said? We cut it here. Isn't that right? And then we cut it again here like this. And then we place one piece here and one piece here. It'll fit now, right? Will it?
Yes.
Who all think it'll fit? Raise your hands. Who thinks that this would fit in? What Sakshi said was, we should cut this triangle over here. Okay? And then we should cut it one more time from the middle. Okay? Then how many triangles would be made? Two. And how many triangles are available over here?
Two.
So she says that we should place one triangle over here and one triangle over here. That's why both the pieces are the same. That's what Sakshi is saying. Who all agree with her?
Miss, I don't agree.
You don't agree?
No.
You also don't agree?
No. No.
No one else agrees here. Only Sakshi
No.
thinks so. Do you think she's right?
No.
You two don't. Kantilal,
Miss, may I explain?
you want to explain? Come here. Are both these pieces the same size?
Yes, same.
Same. Good. They are same. Now explain to everybody how they are the same.
You should cut this part and put it here and cut this and put it here.
Good. But did she say anything different than you?
She told us to cut this and then put it
Yes.
here and here.
Oh, I see. She told us the other way.
Yes.
What she's saying is that we shouldn't cut this, but we should cut this triangle and this triangle.
Yes.
And then we should put these two triangles over here. But then will it fit properly?
Yes.
So actually, both of them are saying the correct thing.
Yes.
One cut this triangle and the other one cut these two triangles. And both are the same.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Correct. Yes.
Both of them are correct. But then now we know that both of them are the same size, aren't they?
Yes.
So both these pieces compared to the whole slate are,
Quarter.
and both of them are same in?
Size.
Absolutely correct.
When Tai asked the children to show that the triangular quarter and the square quarter were equal in size, Sakshi decided to cut the square quarter piece and Pranjal decided on the triangular piece. Children choose different ways to put their point across. There can be different approaches to reach a solution. And they could all be correct. It's important for the children to keep this in mind. Tai initiated thoughtful discussion on the different solutions proposed by the children themselves.